LosBarrel drinks.
Hey guys, how you all doing? It's LosBarrel here. Today we have a very special drink on. It's from Slovakia, brought to me by some of my friends from Slovakia, and I'm quite eager to try it. Stay tuned. As you can see, freshly open, just for you guys. Woo! This is treated as a Slovakian brandy, but as you can see, it doesn't have the same sort of colour, not that colour matte as these days. Yeah, but this is very unconventional for a brandy. Smell this. It smells like a gin, with like a flavoured gin, to be honest. Although it's made from junipers, so like gin. I guess if you could take potatoes and make vodka and make all kinds of other stuff and chips, then maybe you can probably get different liqueurs with different types of or different tastes from the same type of ingredients. It all comes down to how you flavour this bad boy. Ooh, nice little satisfying snap there when you close it. This is wow. So this is for warm nights, guys. This is, as soon as I drank this first sip, it feels like heat, just bare heat. Mind you, according to Alexa, it is hot tonight.
This evening, you can expect partly cloudy skies, with temperatures around 19 degrees Celsius.
Alright, so it's 19, which is warm for England, alright? So low it, alright? Let's low it. It is hot tonight, okay? For England, at least. Alexa, what's the humidity?
Here's your news.
Oh no!
From BBC News.
So, now on to it. This, to me, tastes like a gin. Okay, so I tried it on its own. This is a gin to me, guys. Sorry.
Hi, it's Claire here with your BBC News.
Alexa, stop the news. It's nice, you know. At first it's quite kind of strong, and then when it settles, it's actually quite nice. I like it. More into this. Let's try this with some gin stuff. I don't know, some Angostura bitters and some lemon or something. Some ice, because this is hot. Stay tuned. Let's get some ice in there. It's so hot, even the ice is taking some while to cool this down. Fun fact in the meantime, this is actually made in Slovakia. Fun fact number 2, this is made from junipers, which is the same ingredient used to make gin. Fun fact, this is 40% alcohol. It's looking at some of the ingredients in this. It says here, I mean, I'm not a Slovakian expert when it comes to speaking the language. Juniper flavored spirit drink, ingredients, spirit, of course. Juniper distillanti, I don't know, I don't really may say it like that, distillanta. Aromatic preparation. Sugar, I could pronounce that because sugar is spelled the same way. Colorant, caramel, fruit of juniper. So yeah, really simple ingredients there. I was expecting maybe, you know, a hint of cinnamon and some egg, but no, I'm joking about that part. But I would imagine that this is not simple to make, although the ingredients are quite simple. Juniper, sugar, caramel, coloring. Yeah, but okay, let's try this again. Let's take a hit. Not that kind of hit, guys, alright? Keep this clean. You know what? I like this just with ice, just nice and cool. To be fair, having the ice in here really takes the edge off, like that extra heat that I was feeling before. It makes it really nice and mellow. So they make this with junipers. Let's try making like a gin drink. Let's get some lemonade in there, and then we'll put maybe some Angostura bitters just to give it that extra kick. Some lemon, give it a little squeeze. Let's just drop that lemon in there. That's it, guys. Cool. So let's try this. This is tasting like, and this might sound random, but it's tasting like birthday cake. I don't know how they, wow. I guess that lemon just, wow, mind blown, well and truly. Just to make sure it's not a fluke. It tastes sweet. The lemons really made it taste nice. Just lemon alone, lemon ice, and this, real nice. Tastes like cake. Wow. Didn't expect that when I tasted it. What I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to try to add some bitters to this. Like, you know, making my pink gin. It's my signature gin. I love pink gins. Yeah, they just work for me. Oh, what's this doing there? Oh, hey, everybody keeps their secret stash of bitters somewhere, okay? I don't care where you guys keep it personally, but yeah, bitters, love it. Just a few dashes, because this is lethal in large amounts. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That Angostura bitters is coming through with the gin, with the brandy, with the Borovicka. Yeah, yes, the Borovicka. Saying it a few times makes me sound Russian or something. Borovicka. This is a gin, right? Let's just. This is a gin. This is a gin. We don't need Scooby-Doo and the detectives to figure this one out. We don't need CSI Miami. This is a gin, right? If this is not a gin, well, you can surely fool a few people. Gosh, edit that out, guys. That was a little bit weird. It happened again. That must be a side effect of this, because what's the expiry date on this? In concluding, this Spis Borovicka, I hope I pronounced that right again. I've had a few of these now, so forgive my pronunciation. This is very nice. I mean, I've never tried this before, but this is good. There is, like, you know, like sometimes when you drink certain wines, you get that feeling that runs through your body, yeah, that's what it's like drinking this. You know, you get that little shiver in your body. But yeah, that could be because it's new to me, and I'm a Borovicka virgin. I didn't find anything repulsive about this. And the price was great because I didn't actually pay for it. However, I did some research and the prices are here. So here would be the average price, here would be the most expensive. You would actually pay for it. Just let me know in the comments if you think that's a good price, if you tried this before, or if that's too much or too little. Just let me know. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, this was a gift from some friends of mine, so I think this was a really good price. So I didn't actually have to buy it, so really good value to me. For all you gin drinkers out there, I think you'll like this. This is nice. This is more gin than brandy. So if you are that gin drinker and happen to be in Slovakia, fear not, you can still enjoy something just like gin that isn't branded gin, but it's made from junipers, has a similar taste, and goes well with the same things that gin goes well with. Angostura bitters or lemons. A lemon. So yeah, it's really good. I recommend it. And before I get completely wasted on this, I think I'm going to end the video here tonight. I'd just like to say a special thank you to Jana and Lucia and their parents for providing this bottle of Slovakian liquor. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and as always, enjoy alcohol responsibly, take care of yourselves, and remember, enjoy your life. Whoever's vexed at you, whoever's hating on you, vex. Whoever's vexed, they lost. It's their loss. LosBarrel. Take care, guys. Good night.